Hi, welcome to the Pico guided test for a gasoline direct injection injector current waveform. My name is Barnaby Donahue and I work here at Pico Technology, and I'm going to take you through the test. So first thing we need to do is go to Pico, go to the Automotive drop-down menu, go to actuators, petrol injectors, and then gasoline direct injection injector current. Once we've selected the test, Pico will automatically configure itself with the right voltages, well, in this case, current, and triggers and time bases and settings for you to be able to capture the waveform from the vehicle. What it also does is it shows you an example waveform, the preset, so you can know what to expect before you run the test. So, Pico-scope's configured. Next thing we need to do is to connect the scope to the vehicle. So for this test we're using our 20 amp current clamp, well 60 amp current clamp on the 20 amp setting. So we turn it on onto the 20 amp range, we press the 0 button, and then we connect it around our injector loom wiring. Now, on this vehicle, to make the test or the connection more straightforward, I've used a breakout lead between the loom and the injector connectors, which gives me a nice loop of wire because access is very tight underneath the manifold here. So we're connected to the vehicle, we're connected to channel A on the Pico scope. Now all we need to do is run the test. So to do this, we want to capture a running waveform from the engine. So we start the engine, start Pico scope. Once we're happy or not with what we've got, then we stop Pico scope and then stop the engine. So first thing, let's start the engine. Okay, let's see what waveforms we're getting. We can either press go or press the start button. Lovely, so we've captured a waveform. So what we need now to do, I've stopped Pico scope, now we need to stop the engine. Okay, so within the guided test, we've got an example waveform. So we can now compare what we've captured to that example. Does it look the same? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe we've got a different type of vehicle and engine. So we can go to our waveform library, which is made up of contributions from Pico-scope users from all around the world, where they've put their injector current waveforms onto it. You can browse through that and see whether your waveform matches any of the good or bad examples in that library. Failing that, you might need a bit more background information. At the end of the guided test, we've got a further guidance section which tells you about the injector function, how it works within the system, and more background information about possible failure modes and faults and that type of thing. At the very end, we've also got some diagnostic trouble codes which may or may not be related to your problem. Failing all of that, don't forget there's also plenty of information on picoauto.com, and please visit us there as often as you like. And in the last case, we also have our free helpline, which is free to Pico users. Okay, that's all today. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.